Inbox is where all the conversation converge, so you can easily manage and get an overview of all the messages sent and received by your bot. In the left panel is a list of users who interacted with your bot before. Here, you can search for a conversation with the user's name, sort the chats by time, or filter them by channels, operator mode, or the user's behavior. After you select a chat, the whole conversation between bot and user will show up in the middle of the screen. With Facebook users and website users, their info is displayed on the right panel. You can add tags to them or turn on human takeover to hand over the conversation. You can apply human takeover mode to the conversation with identified guests, web users, and Facebook users who interacted with your bot within 24 hours due to the policy of Facebook. You can enable human takeover via Flow Editor, BotStar Inbox, or Facebook Inbox if your bot is published on Facebook. With the first option, drag the Let Human Take Over action in the Flow Editor at any point in the chat. Remember to create a connector from another block to this action. After that, configure the behavior of bot when implementing this action. You can choose to return the users to bot after a certain time, send a notification to the operators via email and Facebook when receiving the takeover request, and set up the message before and after bot handling the conversation. You should enable all these options. Then test to see how it works with preview. You can turn on human takeover manually and set up the session expiry for each conversation in BotStar Inbox. However, with Facebook users, you can only send messages to those who have interacted with bot within 24 hours. Regarding to bot publish on Facebook, apart from BotStar app, you can also use human takeover on Facebook page. But first, let's go to settings, select Messenger platform, scroll down to subscribe app section, to assign suitable roles for BotStar and Page Inbox. BotStar should be the primary receiver and Page Inbox should be the secondary. It means that you grant BotStar the authorization to chat with users, and you can also take control over your bot via Page Inbox. In the inbox or page, there are two folders that you need to pay attention when using this feature. Main, or inbox in other interfaces, shows conversations that are under control of the human operator. And Done shows conversations managed by the bot. To take over the conversation from bot, open Done Conversations, select one and click Move to Main. Bot will immediately stop chatting with the user and start counting session expiry. Then you can send messages to your user here. If you want to hand back the conversation to the bot, in the main inbox, select Conversation and mark as Done. For your information, session expiry is a timeout for human takeover session. After the session expired, if the user is the first one who sends a message, the bot will continue the conversation. On the other hand, if the operator is the one who initiates the conversation, The session will continue and the time is counted from the beginning. You can set up the default session expiry in Configuration, Behavior, Human Takeover, or set up on each conversation in Inbox.